Hello, I am Santosh from KCS Kasinada College of Arts and Science, studying in 2nd BCom CS, batch 2019 to 22. Today we are going to see about the story Open Window. Open Window was written by Saki. Mr. Stratton Nuttall was a young man. He had come from a rural retreat. He did not know anyone in that rural area. His sister gave him some letters of introduction to the people. She knew her. 4 years ago, she had been staying there at the Vector. Mr. Nuttall went to Mrs. Sappleton's house with the letter. Mrs. Sappleton was not at home. Only her niece Vera, a self-possessed young lady of 15, welcomed him. They engaged in a conversation. Nuttall did not know anything about Mrs. Sappleton. Vera decided to fool him and started to tell him an imaginary tragedy. She made him believe that he had come on the third anniversary of the cruel tragedy. Vera narrated with a sad tone that 3 years ago, one day her aunt's husband and her young brothers went through that window for shooting. When crossing the moor, they had been engulfed in the treacherous piece of dog. They never came back and their bodies were never recovered. She continued that her poor aunt hopes that one day they would return along with the little brown spaniel which was also lost with them. That is why the window is kept open. Vera explained that her aunt had told her that her husband was wearing a white waterproof coat over his arm and Rooney. Her younger brother was singing Breathy, why do you bond? As I was the way he used to tease her. Mr. Sappleton entered the hall with the apology of coming late. She too talked about the open window through which her husband and brothers will be returning home directly from shooting. She rattled on cheerfully about the shooting, scarcity of birds and prospects of duck in the winter. Frampton Nuttall felt horrible and tried to change the less topic. Mrs. Sappleton's eyes were consistently straying past him to open the window. He felt it certainly an unfortunate wish. As he was saying that doctors had advised him to take rest, Mr. Sappleton said, here they are at last. Frampton shrieked and turned towards Vera. She too was straying through the open window. With horrible Nuttall saw the three figures were walking across the lane towards the open window. One of them was having a white coat over his shoulders and spaniel. They came noiselessly. The young chanted, I said, Breathy, why do you bond? Frampton thought them as ghosts. He rushed out of the house by taking his stick and mat. Mr. Splatter, bearer of white manster, asked who rushed out. When they entered, Mr. Sappleton replied that it was Mr. Nuttall, who was worried about his illness. Now Vera fooled her aunt and uncle by telling that Nuttall ran away because he was afraid of dogs. Thank you for watching the video.